Hi lovelies, my name is Fiona and today I'm back with a very interesting, informative and educative video of the 5 important salts that you need while making your Molato soap. Before we go any further, allow me welcome my new viewers. Thank you so much for passing by, and please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell such that you are the first to receive the notifications of my videos. And also to my old subscribers, you are the best. Thank you so much. Yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Let's first talk about Molato soap. What is Molato soap? Molato soap is a combination of different soaps. You can make 3, you can make 5, you can make 10. This soap is a lightening soap, extra super lightening soap, meaning it is not supposed to be used by the dark-skinned babes or dudes. So if you are a dark-skinned person and you are comfortable in your skin color or tone, please cease and desist from using or even thinking about Molato soap, because it's gonna change your color. Yes, it's gonna change your color. Our first soap on the list is Melissa soap. This Melissa soap is a very strong soap, which will act as a base for our Molato soap. So it is very strong. It can also work alone if you are not making Molato soap, but if you want Molato soap, you have to use Melissa soap as a base. I always make sure that I choose orange soaps. So if you want to get orange color, make sure you're choosing dark orange or deep orange. Yeah. So don't mix soap with black soap, with blue soap, with whatever soap. Let the color be similar with all your soaps. Yeah. Number 2 on the list is the Kojisan soap. Very strong soap that you would not like to miss in your soap. So there are different types of kojic soap or Kojisan soap, but this one with zero pigment light. So this one is the original one, which you really need to use because it is too strong. So for a lighter and even skin tone, Kojisan soap should also be in your Molato soap. Number 2 on the list is our White Secret soap. I would like to show you the color. It is like deep or dark orange. And for those of you who have used the lotion, you know very well that this lotion, the lotion for White Secret is very strong. Same thing applied to the soap, and also helps to boost the power of all other soaps that you are gonna use in your Molato soap. So I like using the White Secret soap for my Molato soap. This is our number 3. This is our Gluta C and E soap. So this soap contains glutathione and vitamin C and E. Who doesn't know the value or use of glutathione? We all need glutathione to lighten up our skin tone, and also vitamin C and E. It is also orange in color, so just to make sure that you don't confuse the colors of the soaps, we need only orange to get our orange soap. If you want to get black soap, then you are gonna pick the black colors, the dark colors of the soap. Then our other soap is K Brothers USA soap, but the one which contains carrots. You understand? So the one which contains carrots, this soap is an anti-reaction soap. So it helps to prevent the dryness of the skin, and also the reaction, the chipping, I would call it, of the skin. So it's better to include the K Brothers soap into our soap. We know this soap, it has been on the market for years and years. So it's a very good soap which you really don't want to miss in your Molato soap. Thank you so much. Ciao.